This is an Illinois Duo. To try to get into it, I'm going to use Covert Instruments turning tool, the bottom of the keyway turning tool, and the top, and I'm just going to catch it on the edge of that. And I'm going to start out with this Peterson standard. 1, 2. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Make sure all those are set. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. I'm gonna start on the top. Maybe. Just gotta make sure I'm in the right place. So. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't think I hit number 1. I don't think I did. So there's number 1. All right. So now I'm going to go down to the bottom. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Did I get it or no? I didn't get it. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, but I dropped something. I don't know how much stuff I dropped, but I dropped something. 2, 3. Okay, so 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. I don't know what I'm stuck on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. One, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. Okay, so yeah, I did drop some things, and I just had to go back through the bottom row and make sure that everything was, pressed all the way down. I had too much tension on it, I think, and I wasn't letting it do what it needed to do, but that is the Illinois Duo.